My name is Caden Plant, and this is my partner.
Will Handren.
And we had the Gym Capacity Detector project. And the problem we saw was the inconveniences of an overcrowded gym. And let's say you're a member or a student and you only want to work out for like 30 minutes. An overcrowded gym can make you stay there for at least an hour. And especially for students, let's say you have an assignment that night and you have to decide either cutting time from the assignment or cutting time from your workout, which is not ideal. So for our solution, we decided to create a system that keeps track of the ongoing traffic entering and exiting a gym. And then we would take that information and send it to an LCD and have it displayed for anybody to view.
All right. And so we would ideally have it displayed like at the front of the gym or in like very popular areas of the campus. And so if you'd like to move on to the demonstration, we have our opening door here, our entrance door. And so when you open it, it counts up by 1. It keeps going up every time you open it. And then our exit door here, when you open it, it goes down. And then it'll stay at 0 every time. And then open it again, goes up, and goes back down.
And the way it works is both these doors have something called a magnetic reed switch, and then that's connected to our Arduino board, and then from the Arduino board is connected to our LCD. So every time the magnetic reed switch moves, it sends a signal to the Arduino board and tells the LCD to either increment the counter or decrement it.